Hey, how's it going, everybody? I got another video for you guys, kind of like a shorter tutorial, but I don't know why there's not more videos about this, so I'm just gonna make one real quick and upload it. Sorry if I seem kind of like unenthusiastic, I'm pretty tired, but nonetheless, let's get straight into it. So yeah, a lot of games are kind of like Cuphead, as you can see, where in order for you to play with somebody else, you have to, I think, have a keyboard and a controller plugged in on the same device, so like the same PC. And so that's kind of like inconvenient if you have somebody that you want to play with that's kind of like across the globe, right? And can't really sit with them. So Steam actually has this thing called Steam Play Together. It's called Remote Play, and I'll show you guys how to enable that so you can play with your friends from around the world. But yeah, cool. So you're gonna hit Shift Tab, and it should open up the overlay. If your screen kind of looks like this and there's not really much going on, at the bottom you can click on the friends icon, which should open up your friends list. Here where it says invite anyone to play, so if your game has remote play enabled, then this tab should pop up in which you can click. Another window should open up, and so here you can kind of invite any friends you want. It's pretty neat, actually. I don't know why more people don't talk about this, but what's another cool feature is you don't actually have to have the person added. If you want to play with somebody just like a one-time thing, you can actually just create this link and send it to somebody through Discord. You can email it to them, I guess if you really wanted to, carrier pigeon, whatever. And then up here you can set kind of like the quality that you want, because you're essentially going to be streaming it to them so they can play on your device. So what this means now is that for remote play, only the host needs to own the game. And so technically, if you wanted to play with like your significant other, only one of you needs to buy the game. That way, you don't waste money on buying games like Cuphead. But yeah, let me think. Is there anything else I need to cover? I don't think so. And then when you're done, you can hit Shift Tab again, click End Stream, and then it should kick them out. But yeah, I think for Cuphead, it might be one of the only games where you still like especially have to have two separate peripherals to play, like controller and keyboard. But there are some games like Bread and Fred where you can both play on the keyboard. But yeah, this is a pretty neat alternative to Parsec, which is like a third-party software you would need to normally download. But yeah, this way is definitely a lot better. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. I know this is very random because I haven't uploaded in a while, but yeah, hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys soon, hopefully.